Shifting focus to India, where the top court has cracked the whip on criminal politicians. It has directed political parties in the country to upload criminal records of their candidates in public. Let's tell you what the political parties will have to start doing now. Political parties are now required to upload the records on their website and also give out reasons on the selection of these candidates with criminal antecedents. This includes what crime the candidate has been accused of and what stage the criminal case has reached: FIR, investigation, charge sheet or trial. The court has directed political parties to submit a compliance report to the Election Commission within 72 hours of selecting candidates who have pending criminal cases against them. And in case of a failure, the Election Commission will inform the Supreme Court of India. It added that the parties will be held liable if they fail to comply with the order. While the court has not banned parties from putting up candidates for elections with criminal antecedents, it has issued directions to the parties to provide reasons for why such candidates are being fielded in the first place. The top court has asked the Election Commission of India to now file a contempt petition if a party is found defying the order. And we have our political editor Kartikeya Sharma joining us live on the broadcast from our newsroom. For more on that, Kartikeya, talk to us about the significance and the importance of an order like this from the Supreme Court of India.
My understanding is that by publishing the antecedents, the number of cases they have, the type of cases they have, why the tickets have been given, I think Supreme Court of India is also trying to use public opinion to decriminalize the Indian politics. Now, criminalization of Indian politics is a phenomena whose roots can be traced back to late 1970s and 80s, whereby the loopholes of the laws were actually misused by the politicians, and somehow those who were the muscle of the political parties went on to become the candidates. So the people who were supporting corrupt candidates, who had criminal antecedents, they themselves became the candidate. They themselves become party to a larger political life, especially in the northern part of this country. But now I would say, with the number of reforms which have taken place, legislative and executive and judicial, and especially judicial, in this public opinion is being used so that there is pressure on political parties as to why a particular candidate has been given a ticket. For example, Pragya Singh Thakur. Why was she given ticket in 2019? If this law would have been in place, then the BJP would have to explain it. Or, for example, number of criminal candidates in 2014 or 2009, for example, when Lalu Prasad Yadav was fighting elections, then before the law came, a lot of people would have asked this question. The UPA would have to answer, why is Lalu Prasad Yadav fighting elections? And the Congress and the Rashtriya Janata Dal would have had to explain. So, more than the enforcement part which comes from the criminal judicial workforce, I think Supreme Court wants to raise strong public opinion against those politicians who have criminal background. I think this is how I would like to look at this story.
Kartikeya Sharma, our political editor, joining us with that perspective on the broadcast. Thank you, Kartikeya, for being with us.